Right. Hey there, thank you for joining us. Could you tell us please a bit about yourself and what do you do?
Hi, thanks for having me in your podcast. My name is Debojyoti Chakraborty. I am a scientist coming from CSIR Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology in New Delhi, India. My broad area of work is to develop gene therapies, CRISPR-based gene therapies for different diseases, particularly focusing on hematological disorders like sickle cell anemia. But I also have worked with other diseases, particularly rare diseases, neuropathies and the like, and things like such as muscular dystrophies and so on. So I have a lab in New Delhi. I was invited here to talk to the scientists and patients and everybody who participated. It was a fascinating experience with a particular focus here on the neurobiology of different neuropathies actually. What I am taking back from here is that wherever we are in the world, actually the problems are pretty similar, and it requires so much more than the current way of dealing with such kind of therapies in a very age-old pharmacentric way, but going even beyond it and outside it, and thinking of more and more personalized therapies, personalized treatment options, how we can get in the right people together to fund that, to execute that, and in the end benefit patients in the long run.
Thank you. And would you recommend this conference to anybody else? And are you looking forward to coming next year?
I would always be happy. This has been a fantastic conference. Although it's a bit too cold for me, but the covered in almost so much snow.
It's beautiful though.
It's absolutely fantastic. And I think it should go out to a lot of people who are looking for cures, particularly the field of rare diseases. I keep on coming to rare diseases because, really in some countries like where I come from, rare is not rare at all, because there are thousands and thousands of people who are actually suffering from such dystrophies. And they deserve a chance because they do not get this chance in a mainstream drug production processes where it is aimed at larger volumes and larger numbers. So that's why we need to think of alternatives in how to address them, and I'm very willing to work with people who are trying to bring these kind of therapies out.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.